Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see about how to create multiple ledgers in Tally ERP 9. This is the starter page. From this, we have to select work in educational mode. This is the main page of the Tally ERP 9, gateway of Tally. Under this company info, we have to create company. Enter the name of the company, XYZ, XYZ Limited. Enter. The mailing name is also take it the same name of the company. Enter. If you need, give the address of the company. Enter. Type the name of the country. Select it from the list of the country. India. Give enter. Enter the name of the state. Select it from the list of states. We have to give enter TA. From this, select it from list of states, Tamil Nadu. Enter pin code number 620017. Enter the contact details. If you need, otherwise, skip this. You enter. This is very important. We have to give the financial year. Books beginning from 1st April 2017. Automatically, it takes 1st April 2017 as books beginning from. This is the startup date of the business transaction of the company. Then come to the security control. If you need, you have to type. Otherwise, skip this. Under base currency information, based on the country selected, automatically selected the currency. Enter, give enter, and accept the screen. Give enter or yes. Okay. Now, we are created a company, the name of XYZ Limited. Under this, we have to create ledgers. Select accounts info. Under accounts info, select ledgers. Under multiple ledgers, select create. The right side page is the list of the groups. Under this group, we have to select all items. Then only we have to type name of the ledgers, the list of ledgers here. This is the multiple ledgers. So we have to select all items under group. Now we are going to create ledgers under multiple ledgers. The first transaction is started business. Mr. Murthy started business. So there are two ledgers are involved. Murthy's capital and cash. We have to type Murthy's capital account. Murthy's capital account comes under capital account. without giving opening balance. Go to the next one. Type Lata Limited. Comes under sundry creditors. Lata Limited is a suppliers of the company. So it comes under sundry creditors. Next, purchases. Type purchases under purchase account. Vanita's agencies account. Next one. Comes under sundry debtors. Because she is a customer of the company. It comes under sundry debtors. Fifth one, sales. Comes under sales account. Next, State Bank of India. Comes under bank account. Stationaries under indirect expenses. Drawings under capital account. Salaries paid. Comes under indirect expenses. Rent paid. Comes under indirect expenses. Next one is commission received. Comes under indirect income. That's the screen. After creating the ledgers, come back to the gateway of Tally. You have to select accounting vouchers. Before entering the transactions, we have to select a particular voucher, relevant vouchers based on the entries. The first entry, first transaction is started business. Mr. Murthy started business with rupees 10 lakhs. So we have to select the receipt voucher F6 from the vertical button bar. Cash account debtor to Mr. Murthy's capital account. Murthy's capital account, rupees 10 lakhs. enter cash account. This is very important. Whether it is credit, we have to type credit entry. If there is debit, we have to type debit. So cash account debtor to Murthy's capital account, rupees 10 lakhs. After that, we have to enter the narration. Mr. Murthy started business. After that, accept the screen. Likewise, we have to type the second transaction. Amount deposited into bank. The entry is State Bank of India account debtor to cash. Before that, we have to select F4. Contra voucher. Enter State Bank of India account debtor rupees 1 lakh. For the institution purpose, for the company purpose only, we have to give all these informations. Otherwise, skip this. Cash 1 lakh being amount deposited into bank. Enter and accept the screen. Next one, purchased goods from Lata Limited. Before that, we have to select purchase voucher. Enter. We have to change the page, change the mode of the page from invoice mode to accounting mode. For this, select Control V. Purchase account debtor to Lata Limited account. So we have to select Lata Limited, rupees 10,000. Enter, enter, new reference. Purchases. Purchased goods. Purchased goods from Lata Limited. Enter and accept the screen. Next, purchased goods for cash. Purchases account debtor to cash account for rupees 15,000. Enter. Purchases. Skip this page. Before that, we have to set the accounting features. Maintain accounts only. We have to give yes. Being purchased goods. Purchased goods for cash. Enter and accept the screen. Then sold goods for cash. We have to select sales voucher and enter the transactions. You have to change the page from invoice mode to accounting mode. Press Ctrl V. Cash account debtor to sales. Rupees 5,500. Being sold goods for cash. Enter and accept the screen. Next, sold goods to Vanitha agencies. Vanitha agencies account debtor rupees 1 lakh. New reference to sales rupees 1 lakh. Being sold goods to Vanitha agencies. Accept the screen. Next, paid into bank. Amount paid into bank rupees 10,000. That is contra entry. So we have to select F4. SBI account debtor, State Bank of India account debtor to cash. Amount 10,000. Enter, enter, select State Bank of India, enter, skip this page. Being amount paid into SBI. Enter and accept the screen. Next, paid for stationeries. We have to select payment voucher. For this stationeries account debtor to cash. If paid by check, stationeries account debtor to State Bank of India. Enter. Select stationeries from the list of ledgers. Stationeries account 500. Enter. Give enter. Select State Bank of India because it was paid by check. Enter. Enter. Enter the narration. Being stationeries paid. Or paid for stationeries. Paid for stationeries by check. Enter and accept the screen. Next one. Settled Vanitha agencies paid by check. 8,000 by settled by State Bank of India. Next, withdraw cash from State Bank of India for the proprietor's his personal use. For his personal use, that is called as drawings. We have to select payment voucher. Drawings account data to State Bank of India's account. 1,500 from State Bank of India. So we have to select State Bank of India from the list of ledgers. Okay. Being cash from, withdraw cash from SBI for proprietor personal use. Enter and accept the screen. Next, paid for salaries. Salaries account data to cash. This is also the payment voucher. Enter salaries account data. Salaries rupees 2,000 to cash, being entry for salaries paid. Accept the screen. Next, received commission. Before that, you have to select receipt voucher. Commission received rupees 2,500. Enter cash. Received by cash. Enter the narration, being commission received by check. Enter and accept the screen. Then last one, paid rent by check. We have to select payment voucher. Enter rent account data rupees 750 to State Bank of India because is paid by check rupees 750. Enter I have to type the narration being rent paid by check. Enter and accept the screen. Then come back to the gateway of Tally. By pressing escape button. View the report. To view the report, you have to select display. Before that, by pressing Alt F2, check the period of the transactions from 1/4/2017 to 31st March 2018. 12 months of the accounting period. Enter, enter. This is the day book of our transactions. Output of our transactions. Come back, select trial balance. The total of the trial balance is 12,02,750. Check individual items. Drawings 5,500. Murthy's capital account 10 lakhs. Check the current liabilities 10,000. Current liabilities is sundry creditors. Check the current assets. Current assets are sundry debtors, cash in hand, bank account. Sales account 1,05,500 because there was cash sales 5,500 and credit sales 1 lakh. Total 1,05,500. Okay. Come to purchase. Purchase rupees 25,000. Okay. Then indirect income. There are only one indirect income. Commission received 2,500. Indirect expenses are rent paid, salaries paid, stationeries paid. These are all comes under indirect expenses. Okay. This is the report. Okay. After that, come out from the screen. You have to select quit. Thank you.